Good morning, students. We have already studied how to find the derivative of implicit function and inverse trigonometric function. Now next is how to find the derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. Now before starting this, we need to know about the nature of the function, because we are not much aware of this exponential and logarithm function. This is new for you. So first I am going to take exponential function. Exponential function is written in the form of y equal a raised to power x. This is called exponential function, y equal a raised to power x, where base a is greater than 1. Okay, so this function is called exponential function. X is what? Your any real number. So domain of this function is R, real number, set of real numbers, because x can take any value from minus infinity to positive infinity. So domain is R. And if you are going to take, see, base is greater than 1, power, any power, negative or positive you are taking, your range result will come always positive real number. You can say, okay, 0 to infinite. It will never come 0, but you are saying positive real number, 0 to, you will say 0 to infinite. Okay, that is your, so range will come 0 to infinite, R plus positive. So the function in the form of y equal a raised to power x is called exponential function. Domain is real numbers, range is positive real numbers. Okay. Now if base a is taken 10, now two types of there. If base a is taken 10, this function y equal 10 raised to power x is called common exponential function. Two types of exponential function. If base a I am taking 10, then it is called common exponential function. And if base a I am taking e, what I am taking, if taken as e lies, e's value is actually 2.72 something. So we say it lies between 2 to 3. Okay, so function y equal e raised to power x is called natural exponential function. See, base is taken 10, then 10 raised to power x is called common exponential function. And if base is taken is what? E, then it is called natural exponential function. We are going to use in our NCERT exponential function as y equal e raised to power x. We are going to. So how its graph can be drawn? So we will be taking, because x is my real number, so either it will be 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Total r I can divide. My total r, you know, that's when I draw equal to 0, greater than 0, less than 0, 3 parts. So we'll say at x equals 0, if you are going to put 0. So any number raised to power 0 will give you value 1. So e raised to power 0 is 1. And if you are going to greater than 0, means you are going to positive real numbers. If you are taking, always value will be greater than 1. And if you are going to take less than 0, value will be lesser than 1. You can see any power you assume it. Suppose I am taking any number, just e, it is actually 2.7. उसकी कुछ भी power ले लो आप, greater than 0, तो इसकी value किस में आएगी? Greater than 1 में आएगी. Okay, और 2 point इसकी negative power लोगे तो it is 1 by 2.5, so it will go what? Lesser than 1. So the graph can be easily drawn with this information. It will go like that. This is a graph of y equal e raised to power x. Okay, so we can see this one. And derivative of e raised to power x is ex. You need to learn this formula. dy dx of ex is ex. Using first principle of derivative, we have already derived it in 11th class. We can easily derive by using limit. So we need to use this formula, dy dx of e raised to power x equal e raised to power x. This is your, okay, you need to know this. Now we need to know about logarithm function. So logarithm function is actually your logarithm function and exponential function are inverse functions. Okay, logarithm function and exponential function are inverse function. So what that, if you are saying log of y to the base a equal x, we read it like that, log of y to the base a equal x. When it is possible, if and only if, you will say a raised to power x equal y. अगर ये relation true है तो क्या होना चाहिए? Condition should be what? A raised to power x equal y. If a raised to power x equal y means I can write it log of y to the base a equal x. Both are like that. Okay, this we need to know how we are the behavior of the function. Okay, so two log function again are there. When base a equal 10, it will be log y to the base 10, and if base equal e, then log y to the base e. So this is common logarithm function, and this is called natural logarithm function. Okay, natural log. And total NCERT, whenever we are going to use log, we are going to log to the base e. So generally we don't mention, if base is not mentioned, means we are talking about natural log function. Okay, and it is written as, now listen how the function is, y equal log x to the base e, can be written as ln x. Y equal log x to the base e is written as ln x, and what it is, y equal log x to the base e can be written ey equal x. This both are means similar cases. If it is e raised to power y equal x, means I can write what, log x equal y, I can write. Okay, so this is ln x. Now what you are going to say, what is the domain of this function? You can see domain will be positive real numbers. Okay, because why domain? Because if you are going to take x यहाँ पर है, तो x तो कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा क्योंकि e raised to power y है, तो डोमेन क्या हो गया, r प्लस. तो लॉग फंक्शंस डोमेन इज r प्लस एंड रेंज r. यू कैन सी एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन में बिल्कुल उल्टा था. एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन में डोमेन r था, रेंज r प्लस, और लॉग उसका इन्वर्स फंक्शन है, तो डोमेन क्या है, r प्लस और रेंज है r. नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस आई कैन ड्रॉ लॉग फंक्शन ऑल्सो. सी व्हाट दैट योर log 1 will be 0, your log 1 will be what, value will be 0, so 0. So it is, now it is greater than 1 and lesser than 1, so it will never be negative. What that your domain is r plus only, so we are going to talk about this one. What it is your greater than 1, it will be positive, and what is your lesser than 1, it will be your negative. Okay, so you are saying greater than 1, it is greater than 0, and lesser than 1, it is less than 0. Okay, greater than 1, it will be going positive, and lesser than 1, it will be your negative, and at 1, log's value will be what, your 0. Log 1 is 0. What is your log 1 is equal 0 to any base you say, a, b or c, whatever base is there, what yours, any base, log 1 is always 0. Okay, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. This also, using first principle of derivative, we can derive it also, but we are going to use in this chapter dy dx of log x equal 1 by x. Okay, so nature of graph I told you. What is domain of logarithm function? Positive real numbers, range is r. Now some properties are very important of log function that you need to know. Okay, that graph already I said, for that log 1 equals 0, so greater than 1 or lesser than 1 we are going to say this. Okay, it will be what, because डोमेन है ही कितना, डोमेन आपका पॉजिटिव ही है, तो आप यहाँ से यहाँ तक ही बात करोगे. ओके, दैट इज ग्रेटर देन एंड लेसर देन. ओके, गो थ्रू नाउ सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लॉगरिथम आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू नोट इट डाउन. Properties of log function for any base a is greater than 1. For any base we are going to talk. Okay, but because in book generally we are going to use base what, e. So ln natural log we are going to use natural logarithm. So log of xy, two function, if in product to the base a, it will be log x plus log y. Okay, base whatever it is given. Log of x by y, it is log x minus log y. We are going to use, means suppose if you are saying log of two functions are there, x sin x, so it will be log of x plus log of sin x. Okay, and if it in quotient form, you are going to use negative sign. And if it is log of x to the power n, तो power आगे आ जाएगी, and we will be writing n log of x to the base a. अब 1 is very important formula, base change formula is there, log of x to the base b. And if I want to change my this base, सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू, ऊपर का ऊपर पार्ट आ जाएगा, नीचे का नीचे आ जाएगा. मतलब मैं लिख सकती हूँ इसको log of x टू द बेस e, और यहाँ कोई c भी लिख सकते हैं इसको, ऊपर और नीचे यही. तो यू कैन यूज log of x टू द बेस e, log of b टू द बेस e. और अगर कोई और बेस में चेंज करना है, सपोज c कोई बेस है, तो log of x टू द बेस c और log of b टू द बेस c. मतलब मैं किसी में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकती हूँ इसमें. वॉट आई एम सेइंग, अपर वन विल कम विथ अपर log x और नीचे log b आ जाएगा. बेस आप कोई भी ले लो. दिस इज कॉल्ड बेस चेंज फॉर्मूला. वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, आई विल टेल यू अ गुड यूज इज देयर. ओके, ऑफ दिस वन. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो, दिस इज log of x टू द बेस a इज एक्चुअली इक्वल टू 1 इफ वी इंटरचेंज दीज टू, log of bx 1 by इसका. Log of this is also very important. If log of base and this log of a to the base a both are same, then value will be 1. Log of a to the base a will be 1, and log of 1 to any base it will be value 0. log 1 का वैल्यू हमेशा 0 रहेगा. ओके, वी हैव जस्ट नाउ. एंड e of log x, because e and log both are inverse, तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, x. By taking log both the side, you can see both will be coming same. If I am taking log both the side, so it will be what, your log of e log x इक्वल log x, यू आर गोइंग टू बोथ साइड आई हैव टेकन log, ये पावर आगे आ जाएगा तो log x, और ये क्या हो जाएगा log e टू द पावर means base e, log e to the power into 1 and equal log x, means both are same. So you are saying about that e raised to power log x, e raised to power log x equal to x, क्योंकि दोनों inverse हैं, it will be x value. Okay, now logarithm differentiation. Now our topic starts what? Logarithm differentiation. कब करना है? That is whenever function is given in the form of ux to the power vx. जब भी function की power एक function ही है, x का फंक्शन है, दिस इज ऑल्सो फंक्शन ऑफ x, पावर x है, तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ log, इट इज़ वेरी इजी. तो यू आर गोइंग टू टेक log बोथ द साइड, तो यहाँ पे भी log ले लेंगे. log आई एम नॉट मेंशनिंग बेस बिकॉज बेस आई एम टेकिंग e, that is what your natural logarithm. Okay, log, and it will be taken log here, so it will be what your ux to the power vx. अब इसको क्या करोगे, आपको पता है प्रॉपर्टी, पावर क्या हो जाएगी log x raised to power n, n आगे आ रहा है तो vx will be come forward और it will be log of ux. Okay, it is log y. Now as you differentiate both that side, d by dx ले लो, d by dx लिया तो इसको क्या हो जाएगा d by dx of log y and d by dx of two function will be there, vx log of ux. Okay, now uv formula you can apply here and you know here 1 by y dy by dx. log y का differentiation क्या होगा 1 by y dy by dx, और इधर हम क्या लगा देंगे uv formula. So one good question I am taking and I am telling you how we are going to use logarithm differentiation. Listen now, this is my question is log x. My question is find the derivative of this function, let it be y. Okay, log x to the power x मतलब function किस form में है, function to the power is also a function this, so I can't directly taking log both the side, no, that would be a wrong. log a plus b हमने नहीं पढ़ा, product will be the addition, so we are going to assume it, let u is equal log x raised to power x and let v is your x raised to power log x. ठीक है, दो मान लिए फंक्शन, तो y how I am writing u plus v. Now taking what differentiate both the side with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus what your dv by dx, that is your. Okay, you can't take directly log both the side, ये कोई सिंगल फंक्शन नहीं है, एडिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन, एडिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन, तो इसको अज्यूम कर लो, इसको u मान लिया, इसको v अज्यूम कर लिया. अब हमने क्या किया, dy by dx लेंगे तो क्या आएगा du. नाउ आई वॉन्ट du by dx, so how I am we are going to solve this one for du by dx. u is equal to log x raised to power x. Now how I am going to find out du by dx, I need to take log both the side, so log u is equal to log of log x raised to power x. Now what will be, x will come forward using property, so log u is equal to x log of log x. You are going to take this one. Now differentiate both the side, du by dx निकालना है तो कैसे करेंगे differentiate, तो इसका differentiation 1 by u, log x का differentiation 1 by x, but this is u, another function, so what 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv formula लगा देंगे, तो u x differentiation 1 and that function is as it is log x plus x as it is, differentiate log of log x. log of log x means 1 by log x, log of x 1 by log x, चेन रूल, और log x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by x, तो ये हमने x से x कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. नाउ टेकिंग LCM, दिस इज विल बी log x is log of log x, okay, plus what 1 by log x, and u will be going that side, so du by dx equal u into this, u into what 1 plus log x, what it is yours log of log x divided by what log x. Now what u value, u is what actually your function is log x raised to power x, log x raised to power x, and here what it is your 1 plus log x and what your log of log x, okay, divided by log x, तो यहाँ भी log x है तो I can write minus 1 power directly, तो this is mine du by dx, this is mine. Now v भी क्या है, फंक्शन की पावर फंक्शन है, तो I will be taking log both the side first, तो log of v is equal to log of x raised to power log x. अब ये log x पावर रूल आ जाएगा, प्रॉपर्टी हमने पढ़ाई है log v इक्वल log of x log of x, तो ये क्या बन गया log x का होल स्क्वायर, इट इज़ वॉट नथिंग एल्स बट log x होल स्क्वायर, इट इज़ योर log v. डिफ्रेंशिएट बोथ साइड, डिफ्रेंशिएट बोथ द साइड, तो 1/v log v का 1/v dv/dx, dv/dx and it is what 2 log x, और log x का चेन रूल 2 log x 1/x. got? तो actually you got what dv/dx is equal to v into 2 log x by x into v. v actually क्या है हमारा x raised to power log x, x raised to power log x, correct? तो it will be what your 2 log x, और x की पावर log x है तो ये भी x है तो -1 हो जाएगा, log x -1, क्योंकि पावर विल बी -1, बेस का पावर. नाउ व्हाट वाज योर dy/dx, सी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, dy/dx व्हाट आई सेड, dy/dx इज योर du/dx प्लस व्हाट इज योर dv/dx. तो du/dx ऑलरेडी हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, तो du/dx की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, हमारा क्या है log x की पावर x -1 ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस log x एंड log ऑफ log x, ठीक है, प्लस dv/dx जो वैल्यू है उसको रख दो 2 log x इंटू x की पावर log x -1. ओके, दिस इज योर आंसर. So logarithm function I covered through one question. You can do different means this is the base. इससे आपको हेल्प मिलेगा. फुल एक्सरसाइज यू कैन सॉल्व. ओके, इफ एनी डाउट यू कैन सेंड ऑल्सो. सो प्रॉपर्टीज यू नीड टू लर्न, क्वेश्चंस you need to practice, and when we apply logarithm differentiation, it is good to know how that when power is also a function. Okay, it helps a lot in differentiation. Okay, and 5.4 is very easy. 5.5 is based on this one, so you can try the questions. Thank you, students.